Oh, winter storm on January 29, 2019. This is my home. Look at that. Look at that. This is just where. And look. This is like 3 feet snow. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh. This is my driveway and this is my garage. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Let's see with the shovel. Oh my. Look at the fire hazard. It's almost covered with the snow. The whole night snow. It looks like more than 25 centimeter. Oh, it's really cold. It's like feel like minus 27. Ooh. Oh, that's big snow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's still blowing. Oh. Oh, look at that. It looks like a small mountain. Welcome to Canada. This is called winter storm. In one night, snow is like in Punjabi se trali patni pani hun pure driveway to. All right, guys, let's have some fun with the snow. Oh. Whew. Look at that. It feels like minus 27. Ooh. Hi. Look the cars. Look. Oh my god. Car is almost, wheel is almost covered with the snow. No car on the road, so everybody is about to clean first, then they will go out. Welcome. Look. And here. Welcome. Alright, let's have some fun.